Good morning, guys. I am on my way to my last orthodontist appointment. I'm finally getting these braces off and the excitement is real. I'm so excited that I did not want to cancel my appointment for today because I'm actually planning to go out of town today. But I'm like, if I cancel this appointment, it's going to be about 3 to 5 more months. And I have these things on, and at this point I'm actually ready to get them off. I'm back with no braces on my teeth. I'm so excited. So I just made it home. I'm about to go in the house and surprise hubby, and I want to see if he noticed that I don't have no braces on my teeth. Why are you still in the bed? Explain to the people.
Sleep.
But I called you to tell you to be ready.
Not realistic.
Okay, guys, so he just noticed 3 hours later. And the first thing he said was, "You happy?"
It's like the Avengers part. It's the first time, you know, we all are together, though.
Nae Turn Up.
Cause that's how we do it. That's how we do it. My man don't play. He go get the shot. Can't nobody tell him he can't go get the shot.
Got it.
Hey, we hit a 2 in a row. Me and my dog, hey, we hit a 2 in a row. We gonna call you a row. Pull up. Walking on my way. Y'all gonna stay on home. Okay. I know I'm gonna taste this, bitch. I wanna go back to the party. Yeah.
Get it.
As long as it's close enough, we'll be straight. So we just spring scoop in the nip. Got the nip part there.
Let me see what you got. That little bit squirt.
They went this way. We just arrived at Greenville Mall with my aunties, and oh, forgot to mention that my name is Stevie, and I'm Jasmine's niece. And yeah, we's in Journey. Yes. Hey y'all, so we in Greenville Mall. I look so fat. Hey. So now we are walking into Sports Edition. We are looking at some shoes, and it kind of smells a little funny yet. You see. Good. And now we're looking at some shoes for my real. Hey guys. What's our shoe?
It's supposed to be like an imitation Balenciaga.
Yeah, probably.
Huh?
Say yeah. They got Adidas Crocs.
Excuse me, Mrs. Griffith, do you care to explain what just happened in that last bowling frame?
The next one, my ball went to the right instead of to the left, and I am a ball left four. I don't know, I never can swing that way. We're gonna make sure it go that way when I need it to go that way.
Stevie's next up to bowl. She just hurt her finger. Nobody knows what happened. And gutter ball.
I knew it.
Now open my pool.
That's us.
Let me go get it. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
So we got NG on lane. What you about to do with that ball? What just happened? What just happened?
That was a warm up. The ball went a little to the left. We're gonna straighten it up. Get it right between the 1 and the 3. Strike coming quickly.
You didn't want to see it?
No, I ain't need to see that.
So what you got to eat? Tell them what you got, D? What
I got fries and I got fries and a burger.
Yeah, and then over here I got me some chicken and some rice, and so now we about to smash. Ain't that right, Mama?
Yes. You got subscribe to my auntie and my uncle channel. Go to the description down below.
Yeah, thank you, Mama. Hey guys, so I'm still in the SIP. We just leaving a Mexican restaurant, and
And guys, it's fun to take us home.
and y'all right, she yanked my arm down, and that y'all heard from Lil Lun. We about to head home. Ain't that right, Lil Lun? What you say now?
We're going home.
Hey, this my YouTube star. We're gonna start her channel, so make sure y'all go ahead, get ready to support my baby girl.